Hello kid. Well, do you know what are the three basic necessities of life? Well, they are food, clothing and shelter. All of us know about these things. But do you really think these three things are sufficient nowadays? Not really. We want another thing which is very essential in our day-to-day lives. So let's see what is that. So along with food, clothing and shelter, we have got the computer. So the computer is also very essential in our day-to-day lives. Why is that? Let's find out. Well, when the telephone was invented, it was a great leap in the history of communication. Everything got easier, but still telephone had some disadvantages. Like, what if you want to call a person who is in another country? So that time you have to do ISD calls, which are expensive, time consuming and also not available all the time. Not only that, telephones in olden days usually used wires. So, to get rid of all of these disadvantages, finally we had an invention which is computer. Now, here we see the telephone lines. So, these were very essential for the proper functioning of a telephone. But these telephone lines could not be used everywhere because it was restricted to particular areas. So what about those places who did not have telephone lines? How will they communicate then? Well, it will be difficult, isn't it? Not only this, even for the ISD calls that usually happened before, over there we saw it was a higher call rate, there was timing issues and also there was an issue of unavailability. So it was difficult to communicate with a person who lived in another country altogether. Now there was a revolution in the history of communication when Charles Babbage, who is popularly known as the father of modern computers, invented computer. So when the computer was invented, there was a great revolution and finally we got another mode of communication which was better than the earlier one. So let's see its advantages. Well, first and foremost thing, on computer we can use the internet. Now when was internet invented? Well, it was invented in 1983. Well, in those days, internet could only be used on computers. Nowadays, how do we usually send a message to a person who is staying far away? So, usually we send an email. Now, an email is faster and cheaper compared to the letters. So, here we saw that instead of the postal system, we can send an email because that will get delivered in a short period of time and it uses the internet on computers, whereas the postal system was time consuming. So, internet has made communication very easy. It is faster, easy availability and cheaper as well. So, now with internet, communication can be done at any possible time to anyone. Even if we want to do video calling, we can do that as well using the internet on computer. So what is the benefit of this? Well, we not only can see the person, but also we can hear him as well as speak to him. So this gives a much more personalized approach. So with the help of video calling, we can see, speak and hear. Now, with the help of internet, the other modes of communication have also got evolved. For example, our very own newspaper. This is very common in our houses, isn't it? But with the help of internet, we get the e-newspaper. That is the newspaper which is available on the internet. Do you know why is it so important? Because in newspaper, there are papers which are used and then the information is printed on it. But do you know from where do they get the paper? Well, it comes from cutting the trees. So, if you use an e-newspaper, then trees are saved. So, that is very important for our environment. Not only that, what if you want to know about a particular recipe or a particular place where you want to travel? For that, you can always go to a blog. So, blogs are also available on internet which give information on different types of things. Now, there are many people who write blogs. So, blog writing is also an occupation nowadays. Now, what about the website? Well, isn't it very common nowadays? Every single thing has a website, whether it's a clothing brand or whether it's for shopping or whether it's for food or whether it's for travel. For everything, we have got websites. And this has been possible only because of internet. Now, there are open platforms where different types of people can go and ask questions and also write over there in case of any query. Do you know what are they known as? Well, these open public platforms are known as forum. Now, other than all of these, there is also a part of internet which helps us to communicate and get new friends. So, what is that? Well, that is the social media like Facebook and Instagram. So let me ask you a question. Computer with internet helps in making the communication. Option 1, slow and difficult. Option 2, fast and easy. Let me tell you, internet has made our lives and communication fast and easy. So this is a correct option, and slow and difficult is a wrong option. So, my dear kid, these are the different ways in which internet helps us to communicate with other people. Well, first we have the email, then forum, blog, video calling, e-newspaper and website. And with the help of all of these, nowadays we can use internet to communicate with any person anywhere in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.